Hey everyone, normally I do my random talks in my room, but I just got this new random talk. See, my mommy's like right over there. Say hey. Hey. And this random talk's about bananas. I came down here a while ago to listen to the book How to Kill a Mockingbird, and after that I saw these bananas. It made me think, like normally when I eat bananas, I like to save them for later so I can eat them later, because I really love bananas. But then once I see them like this, I'm pretty much like, no, I do not want them. That's what I get angry about all the time, actually. Like, just look at them. Who would want to eat those? Besides my dad. My dad would eat anything, actually. And you know what I also don't get? Why do they gotta put the stickers, like, right on these bananas? It makes no sense. Like, is it supposed to be for your kids? Like, here you go, little Johnny. Have a banana. Have a sticker. Yeah, have some of your stickers with your banana so you can put it on your wall later. Yeah, it would be very creative. I just don't get that. Like, one time I ate a banana with like a Minion sticker on it. It was very funny. That's the exact reason why I ate that one. I chose that one just for the Minion sticker. But I ended up throwing it away anyway, because I always do that, so yeah, these bananas are raw now, and I'm not going to eat them. I think my parents want me to eat them instead of these newer ones. Like, Mom, should I eat the older ones? I'm not going to eat them, but I should, but I'm not. Those bananas are nasty. One time at school, in the 6th grade, this is, forgot which teacher this was, but, she was eating this banana, and she had this raw part of the banana, and, like, I raised my, like, she ate the fresh part of the banana, and then she's like, ugh, like, she was talking about how she hates the raw parts, and then I was like, hey, can I have it? And then she's just like, okay. Like, no joke. The whole class was just disgusted how I actually ate it. Like, it doesn't really taste that bad, but I don't like a lot of raw spots. It's not that good. Okay, mommy. Yeah, it's late at night, as you can see outside. And this thing right here, my granddad is painting. So, yeah. As you can see, there's a lot of fruit here, like apples, oranges, these peaches that are not as, like, fuzzy. What? Okay. Oh, also, guys, this can also be a part of a random talk too. I make it part of 2 subjects. Bananas and my dad. He snores, so you gotta be really quiet. See, normally he snores at night, like, really loud. You can even ask my mom, like tell him how he snores, just constantly. It's funny because it's true. To sleep with that 24/7 pretty much. I'm not sure if this is pointing at him. I have the camera at the other direction. He snored like one time. Go to bed. Alright. One time, me and my mom and my sister were trying to watch a movie, and then we heard my dad. He was he was snoring like crazy. He sounded like a bear. Like, it was awful. Yeah, like the furniture's not really here like this. They just moved around because my granddad's painting. I actually used this for a jungle gym, actually, just today. Like my little sister Eleni, she climbed to the top of that thing. I didn't climb it because I'm too big. I climbed it a little bit, but not as much. Honey shave. Okay, well anyway, this video is short, and also, please watch my other videos. This is random talk. I just wasted my time making this video, and leave any suggestions of what you want me to randomly talk next. Alright? Because I'm starting to run out of ideas. I tried to make a video once about rates, but it didn't work out. Well, anyway, see you guys later, and peace.